Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Friends, if you are doing any business and you have to make bills, but you don't always have bill book with you. So today I am going to tell you the solution to this problem. I am going to tell you one such application. Using this, you can create invoice with your mobile and you can print it out from your printer. And you also can send invoice with email or WhatsApp. First, open the mobile app store and search Billx. And here you can see Billx application. After installing the application, we will open it. Now open the settings. Tap on business info. You can fill in your business information here. And second, you can make items list. And the third is invoice history. In the last, you can create invoice. I am creating an invoice, for example. You only have to write the names of items, their quantity, and their price. It will calculate automatically. On the top, you can see sharing options.